Everyone wants to get rich, but it is not the hard work, but the thinking process that can make you rich. But how can we know that what type of thinking process can make us rich? Napoleon Hill brings us the solution with his masterpiece, Think and Grow Rich. Dear viewers, I am Pritam Raha and you are watching Less But Better, and this is the first episode of the book review of Think and Grow Rich. So without further ado, get the ball rolling. So dear viewers, this book has 13 principles, and today I'll be describing the first principle, named desire. Remember, desire is not just a wish. It is not just a hope. It is a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. And your desire has to be a specific one. It has to be definite. And the method by which desire for riches can be transmulated into its financial equivalent consists of 6 definite steps. And today I'll be describing all of the steps. So the step 1 is be definite as to the amount. So whatever the amount you want to earn, you desire for, it has to be a specific amount. It can be $100, $1,000, $100,000, 1 million, 1 billion, or whatever it is, but it has to be a specific one. So for me, it is 1,000 US dollars. So I desire for earning 1,000 US dollar. The second step is determine exactly what you intend to give for the amount of money you desire for. So for earning that particular amount of money, what you want to trade off. So it can be your investment, your creativity, your energy, your time, or anything else. For me, for earning 1,000 US dollar, as I am working in an organization, I would like to invest my time, my creativity, my sheer effort to the organization so that I can get promoted and earn a bit of money quickly. The third step is establish a definite date. So for me, for earning 1,000 US dollar, my deadline is December 31 and 2022. So I want to earn 1,000 US dollar at the end of the 2022. The next step is create a definite plan for carrying out your desire. Put the plan into action. So for achieving your desire, you have to have a specific plan, and by following the plan, you can fulfill your desire. So for me, for earning 1,000 US dollar, I would like to create my multiple revenue stream so that I don't have to rely on the single revenue stream. Besides, I would like to invest in my portfolio, and in addition to this, I would like to minimize my expenditure and maximize my income. And that is exactly my plan, and by following this plan, I want to earn my desired money. And the fifth step is write a clear and concise statement of the amount of money you desire for. Name the limit for earning that money. State what you intend to give in order to earn that money. So this step is simply the combination of all of the above mentioned 4 steps. So if I say, so my fifth step is I want to earn 1,000 US dollar by putting my effort, creativity to my organization in which I am working in, and I want to earn this money at the end of the 2022, and for that I would like to minimize my expenditure and maximize my income. So that is my specific plan, and it is now a clear statement. And the final statement is read out the statement loud twice a day. One before going to bed and another immediately after arising in the morning. So dear viewers, I know that so far it sounds super weird. That is, how can only desire can get you rich? But for that thing, I would like to request you to watch the latter part of this video, because in this part I'll be revealing a lot of fascinating information to you. Remember, only those who are money conscious accumulated great riches. So if you want to accumulate great riches, then you have to be money conscious and you have to have the desire for being rich. Remember that dreams are the siblings of the reality. Remember, a burning desire to be and to do is the starting point from which every dreamer has to take off. So your desire is your starting point of your goal. So it is just your starting point. And remember, if you can't desire it, you can't make it happen, because it is the starting point. And if you can't start it, you can't get it. Desire backed by faith knows no word like impossible. So probably I think you get me. So dear viewers, remember the name of the book. The name of the book is Think and Grow Rich. It is not Work Hard and Grow Rich, but it is Think and Grow Rich, because there are a lot of people who actually work hard but can't get rich because they don't have the desire, they don't have the proper mindset for being rich. For being rich, you have to have proper mindset and proper thinking process. And if you follow this, you can also get rich shortly. Dear viewers, this is the today's video. If you like this video, you can hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion for me, you can put your comment below in the comment box. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.